Huh? We are going to look at the Holife portable vacuum cleaner. So let's see what we've got inside. If I can open it. Alright. So inside we've got the main vacuum. Looks pretty fancy. Holife. Let's see. Warning: pulls turn off the switch while charging. Cool. Let's see. Ooh. Cool. I can turn it on. So my wife used this apparently. Didn't clean it out. So we'll get to see how well it works. So we've got a mess on the couch. So let's try using this. See how well it will suck up all this stuff. Wow, fancy. Okay, now let's see what else we've got. Got this brush that we can use. So I could use that on the stairs. Let's see what else we've got in here. We've got, oh, like a long nozzle attachment. That also fits on there pretty well. So, if you want to empty it, don't empty it like I showed you. But let's point this up. Push the button. Aha! And now, you can take out the filter and just dump everything in the garbage can. That's pretty cool. Alright, so here we have the charging unit. It's just a wall wart connected to a cord that connects to a plug here. And then this just goes on top, slides right in, shows that it's charging, indicated by the red light. Pretty simple. Just make sure you have it off before you start charging. Okay, so a couple of days ago I drilled some holes through wood, kind of cleaned it up. Had some sawdust, but didn't get everything. So let's try it with this vacuum cleaner. So I really like this Holife vacuum cleaner, and let me tell you why. I just moved into a new condo, and in the process find that between moving stuff and getting new furniture and just everything involved with moving to a new place, there are all these little nooks and crannies that have dust or dead spiders or just random things that need to be cleaned that takes a lot of effort if you use like a rag, or if you try to do it with a normal vacuum cleaner, you have to lug that around. Wherever you go, get the hose out, look for a cord. So with this, I've been able to clean in the windowsills, I've been able to clean the corners of my house, I've been able to get cobwebs up, dead spiders, little corners of the bathroom. Anything that's difficult to get to with a normal vacuum cleaner, you know, I just pick this up and I have no problem vacuuming. I just vacuumed in the room with my 5-month-old baby son, and it is so quiet that it did not wake him up. For how powerful this is and for the size, it's amazing how quiet it actually is. I'm very impressed. I can't think of anything I don't like about this. It charges easily. It you know, obviously it doesn't last forever, but it lasts long enough to help you get the job done. And I think every home could use a vacuum cleaner that is this good.
Cereal playing hide and seek. Dust builds up every week. Pebbles piled on the floor. Milk will spill when children pour. Playdates often end in glitter. Why can't cats clean up their litter? Coffee grinds that hit the ground. The cordless hand vacuum to have around. For fast cleanups, take home a Black & Decker cordless hand vacuum. Portable and affordable.
Young fairy gets her wings, she tends to make a mess of things. She runs and jumps and flies through the air, sprinkling her pixie dust everywhere. Fairies are nimble and fairies are quick, so cleaning up after them can be quite a trick. But a hero has come to save the day, reaching high and low spaces where fairies play. A motorized brush pulls up dirt and debris, and a flexible wand whisks away confetti. With a variety of far-reaching onboard tools, the Multi is prepared for most cleaning duels. Powerful suction vacuums hard-to-reach spaces, and a long-lasting battery cleans multiple places. The Multi's dustbin empties in a flash, with a hands-free feature that goes right in the trash. Fairy life is short and sweet. BISSELL's Multi makes memories and keeps your home neat.
And they all lived happily ever after.